Why not turn your insecurity into your superpower? When I was 24 years old, my hair started thinning up at the top, started to go bald. Got a little nervous, afraid, didn't know what I was going to do about my image. I was concerned about how people was going to view me. And a friend that I was dating at the time told me, she said, why don't you go bald? I think you will look attractive with a bald head. You know, I was nervous. I didn't know how that was gonna turn out. I thought about it, and I thought about it, and then I finally cut all my hair off. After I did that, I got a lot of positive attention. And today, that little insecurity is my brand.